السلام عليكم. هنتكلم النهاردة عن ال digestive system to humans. The digestive system is the system that breaks down food into smaller parts that the body can use through the digestion process. طيب, the digestion process begins with mouth. Mouth contains what? Contains teeth, saliva, and tongue. Teeth crush the food to smaller parts. Saliva contains enzymes that and juices that break down the food, begin the breaking down of food chemically, and the tongue mix the food with this saliva. Then the food go to the go to throat when we swallow it. The throat, it's a common cavity between esophagus and trachea. The esophagus from digestive system and trachea from respiratory system. Then the food go to the next step. It's the esophagus. Esophagus, it's a long muscular tube that allows the food to pass to the stomach. The stomach, it's a muscular organ, contains stomach acid and digestive juices that break down the food partially and turns the food into a soupy liquid. So most of the breaking down of food occur in the stomach. Then the food goes to the small intestine. The small intestine doesn't have juices, but it receives juices from liver and pancreas that break down the food chemically into nutrients. Then the blood vessels in the walls of the small intestine absorb these nutrients into the bloodstream so the blood can carry them to all parts. Then the undigested food goes to the large intestine. In the large intestine, there is absorption of water from the walls of the large intestine. So the undigested food converted into a solid waste. This solid waste can leave the body through the muscular opening called anus. So if we revise, the digestion process begins in mouth, ends with anus. There is a chemically breakdown for the food in three parts: in mouth by saliva, in stomach by stomach acid and digestive juices, and in small intestine by the juices received from liver and pancreas. There is two parts that participate in absorption of materials in general. In small intestine, there is absorption of nutrients to the bloodstream, and in the large intestine there is absorption of water to the bloodstream. And see you.